breaking record पे
measures to increase its population and stop giving permission for its germplasm to other countries. Ongole cattle are world famous for their toughness, frugality, rapid growth rate, natural tolerance to tropical heat and disease resistancy. Andhra Pradesh is proud that Ongole bull is the first Indian breed recognized around the world. Madam, with lactation period of 279 days, Ongole cow is known for giving about 40 liters of milk a day, which contains rich A2 casein protein that protects us from heart diseases and diabetes. But due to negligence by state and central governments, it is on the verge of extinction with only 1,000 left in AP. I think Agriculture Ministry has undertaken a national program for bovine breeding and dairy development to increase the breed of indigenous Ongole cow from AP for better milk productivity. Better milk productivity. Madam, I want that this scheme be implemented vigorously in AP for increasing its population and greater milk production in the country. Madam, secondly, Ongole cattle is ruling the roost in countries like US, Brazil, Australia, Holland, Africa, Malaysia and Mexico, etc. In the name of Brahmana. Brazil has millions of Ongole bulls and it has second breed it by millions and exporting it to various other countries at very high price ranging between 3 to 4 crores. Madam, recently Brazil has sought permission from the National Biodiversity Authority for its germplasm since National Biodiversity Act 2000 prevents taking its germplasm outside India and it requires approval. And each unit of germplasm costs $5,000 in the international market, madam. I am given to understand that a committee has been constituted for this. I argue the government not to give Brazil the semen of this great bull. Instead, government itself should take it up, increase the population of Ongole bull and export to their countries, other countries where it has a huge demand. Thirdly, madam, Brazil, USA, Australia and other countries have taken germplasm from India, breeding it by millions and not paying a single penny to AP as royalty. Secondly, madam, I also request Government of India to start the process of getting geographical indicator for Ongole bull, which will not only save it from extinction and also helps in increasing population.